What's up, guys? Today, I'm going to show you how to build this house. First, get 6 small wood flooring and follow what I'm doing. Make sure this is 2 studs. Now get 2 wooden fence and place them like this. Looks so good already. Now get 2 tables and 6 large wood flooring and place the tables on top of each other and place the large wood flooring on top. Just like that. Make sure that the wood is facing horizontally. Now the other side. That looks perfect. Now do the same to this side. Make sure you don't see this small gap between the woods. Let's fix it. Just like that. It looks so good. Now do the same to this side. Done. Now get a bookshelf and 4 logs and follow what I'm doing. 2 studs now get the log and place it on the bookshelf. Just like that, do it to the other sides now. Oops, I made a mistake. Let's fix that. Done. Let's continue placing the log. Yay, we finished our foundation of the house. Now get 6 logs and 2 log bench and a bookshelf. Follow what I'm doing. Make sure that the log height is correct. 2 studs above the bookshelf. Now the other side. Coming along together. Now place your bookshelf and log benches like this to make the entrance. Perfect. I'm gonna add some lights outside the house. OMG, this looks so good. Let's finish the entrance, get a small wood arbor and place it here. Nice. Now, get a small wood flooring and copy what I'm doing. And with that, our entrance is done. Let's make the sides now. Now, place a bookshelf like this. Get 2 meduim wood flooring. And place it like this. Easy. Now move the bookshelf and place another medium wood. Easy. Now let's do it to the other side. Making the back is really easy. Get 6 medium wood and use the bookshelf like this. We are in the hardest part, making the roof. Get 2 tables and a well. And place them like this. What the? Anyways, place both the tables on each other and place the well on top of them like this. Now get 2 large wood floors and place them on the well. Perfect. Now add another large wood floor and place on the other large wood flooring and rotate it like this. Now, the other side. Now, we must do the same thing to finish the middle of the roof. Again, get 2 tables and a well and place large wood on the well. Oh my God, guys, this is so good I'm gonna bust LOL. Now the last side. And with that, we are done. Yay! Our house is finally done. You can put some cacao trees for the final touches. Cenerity or blueberry